In the first step, we learned to register the FernLite device with the portal. Now we will learn how to install our FernLite to the system. For this step, you first need to ensure that the white cable that you have received with your FernLite is connected to the inverter at the RS232 port. Connect the other side of the cable to the FernLite where it is labeled FernLite. The FernLite will be powered directly from the RS232 port of the inverter. If you check your screen, it will say your FernLite is currently in offline state. That's normal. Enter your local Wi-Fi name and password under the General Configuration section. Click the download option on the screen. After the file has been downloaded, go to the available Wi-Fi network on your computer. You will see your FernLite network as an available option. This FernLite network should be selected. The last 4 digits of the network name will be the same as your FernLite's MAC number. Connect to this Wi-Fi. You may lose your normal Wi-Fi connection, but you should continue to proceed. Open a new tab and enter the URL 10.10.100.254. You will automatically see the username and password option to sign in. Type admin for both. The FernLite configuration page will appear after signing in. At this page, click the Others option on the left menu of the page. Go to Choose File under the Backup Configuration section. Upload the file that you had earlier downloaded. Normally, the file will appear in the Downloads folder of your computer. Click on Start once the file has been uploaded. Confirm restoring all configuration by clicking on OK in the pop-up window, asking if you are sure to restore all configuration. The window will now indicate that it is restarting. At this point, you will lose the Wi-Fi connection to the FernLite and you are required to go back to your original Wi-Fi network so that you can be connected to the internet again. One way to check if FernLite is connected to the Wi-Fi network is checking its LED light on the RJ45 port. A fast blinking indicates no Wi-Fi connection, while a slow blink means it's connected. Once FernLite has been configured, the installation process should be continued. Go back to the FernView portal again once you have connected back to your local Wi-Fi network so you can continue with the wizard.